Okay, so let's go through this trade example. So the strategy 2 trade is the one in front of us here. A very clear uptrend. MAs are nicely going up. There's no question about which side we're going to be trading. And which side is that? Long or short? Long, of course, because price is trending up. Everything's going up, so we want to be on that side. So I want you to pause the video and look for the trade. Now, of course, we're going to be going for an ABCD down move because we're going to be going long. And so our ABCD is this one here. Where are we going to be entering? Of course, the D point. We're going to be buying at the D point. We're going long. Where are you going to be placing the stop? The stop is placed 50% on the C to D leg away from the entry because the nearest low pivot is too far. And as you can see, the low pivot is this one right here. It is just too far, so we're placing it as indicated. What about our break even? Well, again, it's a one-to-one risk reward, so the same distance between the entry and the stop in profit is where we will be taking our stop from the original point up to our entry price. Now, what about exiting? I want you to pause the video and work out exactly where we will exit. So we're going to be exiting as indicated right up there. So let's look through this. We've got, from our break-even price, we've got a low pivot here. We've got a low pivot here. So as I'm indicating that these low pivots are forming, we are going to be moving our stop to these places. We've got a low pivot here, so the stop moves up to here. We've got a low pivot here, and so our stop moves up to here. And then we get stopped out. There's no other higher low pivot, so price comes back down through our stop, and that's where we sell at a profit. What about our risk reward? Okay, so we've got our risk, which is around about 70 to 80% of a box, which is one grid line to the next. And we've approximately got a reward of around about, let's say, 11 boxes, which approximately puts our risk reward at around about 14 to 1. Now again, you don't need to be precise with the risk reward here. Obviously, when you're trading, you're going to get the exact pip, so you're going to be able to work out the exact amount. Here, visually, we just want to give you an idea of how to be looking at your reward and your risk and comparing them and working out your risk reward. So as long as you're near that number, it's fine. Okay, so I hope you got that right. Let's move on straight to the next question. Please continue to the next page where there will be another example for you.